Are you looking for the best 4K projectors? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best 4K projectors on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. BenQ X3100i. The BenQ 4K gaming projector is a high-performance entertainment solution ideal for education, home cinema, and gaming. Featuring a stunning 3840 by 2160 resolution with BenQ HDR-PRO, it delivers exceptional clarity and vibrant visuals, making it one of the best gaming projectors on the market. Designed for competitive gamers, it supports ultra-fast response times as low as 4 milliseconds at 1080p, 240Hz for lag-free gameplay. With a flexible setup that includes a 40 to 60% vertical lens shift and a 1.3x zoom, it fits easily into various room layouts. This projector is also a complete entertainment hub with Google-certified Android TV and supports AirPlay and Chromecast for seamless casting from iPhone, iPad, Android, or PC. To top it off, it delivers immersive 7.1-channel audio with Dolby Atmos and includes EARC and SPDIF connectivity for premium sound quality, along with a built-in speaker for added convenience. Number 2. Hisense PX3-PRO. The Hisense PX3-PRO projector is a cutting-edge entertainment powerhouse, designed for everything from home cinema and gaming to education and business. Boasting a stunning 3840 by 2160 resolution, it uses advanced LPU technology to deliver incredibly precise and vivid colors, covering 110% of the BT.2020 color gamut for lifelike images and exceptional contrast. Its ultra-short throw design lets you enjoy a massive 150-inch screen from just inches away. It's also the world's first USD projector built for Xbox, featuring HSR 240 high refresh rate and auto-low latency mode for lag-free gaming. The 4K AI upscaler enhances any content to near 4K quality, while a 3000:1 native contrast ratio ensures deep blacks and bright whites with smooth tonal transitions. With Dolby Vision, IMAX enhanced visuals, and Google TV built-in, you get immersive viewing with access to popular streaming platforms. It also supports active 3D and includes premium Dolby Atmos audio powered by Harman Kardon speakers, bringing theater-quality sound right into your home. Number 3. Hisense C1 Mini Projector. The Hisense C1 is a premium 4K projector designed for home cinema, gaming, education, and business use, offering an impressive mix of performance and smart features. With a 3840 by 2160 resolution and support for Dolby Vision, HDR10, and HLG, it delivers ultra-vivid, lifelike visuals. The triple laser light source covers 110% of the BT.2020 color gamut and achieves outstanding color accuracy, delta E almost equal to 0.9, promising over 25,000 hours of use. Enjoy a massive screen size up to 300-inch, making it ideal for immersive movie nights, big screen gaming, or dynamic presentations. The projector includes Dolby Atmos-powered JBL Dual 10W speakers for a rich, cinema-like audio experience. Its smart OS supports Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, YouTube, ESPN+, and more, making it a true all-in-one entertainment hub. The C1's standout features include autofocus, auto keystone correction, auto obstacle avoidance, and auto screen alignment, collectively called auto magic adjusting, ensuring hassle-free setup and perfect image projection every time. For gamers, game mode with microsecond response time delivers ultra-smooth gameplay with minimal lag. Number 4. JMGO N1 Projector. The JMGO N1 Ultra is a high-performance 4K projector designed for education, home cinema, gaming, and business use. It delivers a stunning true 4K image with 110% BT.2020 color gamut coverage and 1900 ISO lumens, thanks to its patented MALC triple color RGB laser optics. With HDR10 support and a 1600:1 contrast ratio, visuals are crisp, vibrant, and rich in detail. Its integrated gimbal design allows for 360 degrees horizontal and 135 degrees vertical rotation, making it easy to project from almost any angle, even onto the ceiling. Compact and portable, it's perfect for outdoor setups too. The projector is packed with intelligent features like auto keystone correction, smart object avoidance, auto screen fitting, and auto adaptive brightness for effortless image calibration. For immersive audio, it's co-engineered with Dynaudio and features dual 10W speakers, Dolby Audio, DTS certification, and 45 Hz deep bass. Running on Android TV 11.0, it offers access to 5,000 plus apps, Google Assistant, and Chromecast for seamless streaming from Android and iOS. Connectivity includes HDMI 2.1, EARC, USB-A 2.0, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and a 3.5mm headphone jack, making it a complete all-in-one entertainment solution. Number 5. BenQ GP500 Projector. The BenQ 4K projector is a premium all-in-one solution perfect for home cinema, gaming, business, education, and entertainment. It delivers true 4K UHD resolution, 3840 by 2160, with HDR support and 90% DCI P3 cinematic color, ensuring vivid, lifelike visuals. Thanks to LED auto color calibration, colors remain accurate over time. Audio is immersive as well, with a 360-degree sound field and adjustable, sweet spot audio positioning that enhances your experience from anywhere in the room. Setting up is effortless with smart features like autofocus, 2D keystone correction, screen fit, and auto obstacle avoidance, making sure your visuals are perfectly aligned every time. With Google Play Store built in, you get access to over 5,000 Android apps, movies, shows, live sports, games, and more, no extra devices required. The projector also features a sleek, modern design with a 4K, optimized lens, intuitive interface, and optical zoom knob, blending beautifully into any living space. With Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, HDMI, USB, and a 3.5mm audio jack, it's a versatile hub for all your entertainment needs.